In the attic, sunbeams illuminate swirling dust motes, revealing Thomas and Lisa amidst forgotten relics. Cobwebs adorn every surface as Lisa's eyes light up with excitement, her hand reaching for an ancient grandfather clock. Suddenly, the clock begins to chime, its sound echoing through the attic. A hidden door swings open, revealing a dark passage beyond. Thomas and Lisa emerge into Ticktock Town, where gears adorn every building and clockwork companions are everywhere. Chaos consumes Ticktock Town, with clocks spinning uncontrollably and bizarre anomalies disrupting the village. Mayor Hoot, a talking owl, approaches them urgently. The great gear has stopped. We need your help. Thomas and Lisa step into the Library of Lost Hours, an endless expanse of floating books and ticking clocks. They wander through the shifting shelves, searching desperately for a clue. Lisa discovers a hidden message, a forgotten moment of laughter. Thomas and Lisa stand in awe before the great gear, the clockwork heart of Ticktock Town. They remember a moment of pure joy, laughter echoing in the park. The magical memory bottle glows, capturing their shared laughter. The gears begin to turn as they place the memory bottle into the heart of the great gear. Time returning to Ticktock Town.